To activate your bank account in Crypto.com, follow these steps. First, open the Crypto.com app and log into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the in-app instructions. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard and click on the account icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Next, select the account you want to link your bank account to, such as your fiat wallet. Then, click on the Link Account option and select Bank Transfer. Choose your country and currency. Then select your bank from the list of available banks. If your bank is not listed, you may need to use a different method to link your account. You will then be prompted to enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Make sure to enter this information accurately to avoid any issues with your account linkage. After entering your bank details, review the information to ensure it is correct. Then confirm. Your bank account will then be linked to your Crypto.com account, and you will be able to use it to deposit and withdraw funds. To verify your bank account, Crypto.com may require you to complete a small test transaction. This is a standard security measure to ensure the account is legitimate and to prevent fraud. Once the test transaction is complete, your bank account will be fully activated, and you can start using it to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies on the Crypto.com platform. It is essential to keep your account information up to date and to monitor your account activity regularly to prevent any potential issues. By following these steps, you can easily activate your bank account in Crypto.com and start using the platform to manage your cryptocurrencies. Remember to always follow best practices for account security, such as using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication to protect your account and your funds.